All right, I would like to address a request from a customer in Florida. He's doing some inshore gag grouper fishing. He wanted to see how I made these stinger hooks. My entire tackle box, how I set up everything, and this is my entire tackle box. I take a whole skein of this 80 or 100 pound fluorocarbon. Go ahead and crimp these 130 pound spro swivels on each of the 4-foot sections. So you get about 20 liters per skein. A bag of stinger hooks and some beads. Getting kind of low on beads, need to replace those. And of course a tray of the killer jigs, be it crab or squid. Have whole trays of them ready. But let me go over how to make this stinger hook. This is Power Pro 250 pound red. Okay, double it up and take this. This is a 7/0, and there is no manufacturer of it. This is a hook I've used for years and years. I had, I don't know, I think 50,000 of them made, but this is a super high quality black nickel, very high carbon O'Shaughnessy hook. So put your braided line up through the back of the eye and out. Pull out about, I don't know, 1 3/4 inches or so. Put your finger on the shank of the hook and make a loop around your finger. Pull your finger out and then do a 3-loop uni on the shank of the hook. So you go through once, go over, 2, go back over, and 3. Once you get it to that point, just pull it nice and snug and pull it up against the back of the eye. Grab the hook with, I like using split ring pliers, and just pull it up nice and snug against the back of the eye there. That is not going anywhere. That is super strong. Then just take your blade, cut them off nice and neat. And there you go. That's all there is to that. All right, just wanted to go over replacing a stinger hook if you need to. This jig here has been banged up pretty hard. This is a veteran. It's been offshore a day or so. Let's take this stinger hook off. I just want to show you how to replace these. Simply put the loop around the hook back through and pull it down nice and tight. Okay, there you go. That's the whole thing. It is very, very important to tie this loop knot on the eye of the jig. That's on the website as well, how to tie that loop knot if you don't know how. There's where that bead comes into play. That bead keeps that swivel out of your front guide. So there's that 130 pound spro crimped to a piece of 80 with that bead to a 4-foot leader to a loop knot, and then down to the stinger hook. All right, folks. And Bill, for you especially, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, get up with me.